Viture recently dropped their flagship Beast XR glasses. Built-in 3DUF, a massive 174-inch virtual screen, 1,250 nits of brightness. The specs look incredible on paper. But here's what nobody's putting in the headlines. What you're actually getting right now isn't quite what's printed on the box. The Beast promises 1200p resolution at 120 Hz. Sounds amazing, right? Except that's coming via firmware update. Right now, you're getting 1080p at 60 Hz. And that's just the start of the asterisks we need to talk about. After digging through every review, Reddit thread, and user report I could find, I'm going to tell you exactly who should buy these glasses, who should wait, and whether that $549 price tag actually makes sense. Let's get into it. Let's start with what Viture absolutely nailed. The Beast features Sony's latest micro OLED displays with a 58-degree field of view. That's the largest in Viture's entire lineup, up from 52 degrees on the Luma Pro. In real terms, you're looking at a 174-inch virtual screen at 4 meters distance. That's genuinely massive for XR glasses. The brightness is equally impressive at 1,250 nits. Whether you're gaming in a dim room or watching movies on a plane with ambient light, that extra brightness gives you flexibility that cheaper options just can't match. But here's where we need to have an honest conversation. The center of the screen? Crystal clear, no complaints. But move your eyes toward the edges, and you'll notice blurriness and chromatic aberration. This isn't a defect, it's a limitation of the optics. You can compensate by making small head movements to keep content in the sweet spot, but it's something you need to know going in. One genuine highlight: the electrochromic dimming. 9+ levels that automatically transition between transparency and blackout. This is industry-leading, and it makes a huge difference for immersion. The next feature is what separates the Beast from everything Viture has made before. Built-in 3DUF tracking means you don't need to install Spacewalker software or mess with external apps. You plug in the glasses and spatial tracking just works. So is it actually useful? You get 3 modes. Spatial Anchor pins your screen in virtual space, so it stays put when you turn your head. Think of it like having a TV mounted on an invisible wall. Smooth Follow adds a slight delay so the screen gently follows your head movements. And Zero DOF just locks the screen to your face like traditional XR glasses. Now, early adopters reported drift issues with Spatial Anchor mode. You'd be watching something, and the screen would slowly slide to one side. Frustrating. The good news? Viture has been pushing firmware updates that mostly fix this by activating the magnetometer. Not perfect, but dramatically better than launch. The Smooth Follow mode is honestly the sleeper hit here. Ever felt motion sick using XR glasses? This mode significantly reduces that problem. Users are reporting great experiences on exercise bikes or while moving around. The on-device controls are also a nice touch. 2 sets of buttons on the stalks let you adjust everything without pulling out your phone. Let's talk about where the Beast sits in the market, because this is where your buying decision really gets made. The X-Real 1 Pro costs $649. You're paying $100 more for a slightly smaller field of view, but reviewers consistently praise it for better text clarity. Planning to use XR glasses for productivity, reading documents, anything text-heavy? The X-Real might actually be the better choice despite the higher price. On the other end, Viture's own Luma Pro sits at $499. For that $50 savings, you're getting 52-degree FOV instead of 58, 1,000 nits instead of 1,250, and you need external software for 3DUF. The Beast is a meaningful upgrade for that extra $50. Then there's the budget option. The Raineo Air 3S Pro at $269. Don't need premium features? Just want to dip your toes into XR glasses? Worth considering, but you're giving up a lot in display quality and features. Here's where Viture has a real advantage though, the ecosystem. The Pro Neckband, Mobile Dock Pro, split screen capability for 2 players, and that gamepad with XR video pass-through. Already invested in Viture accessories or plan to be? The Beast makes even more sense. All right, let's cut through the noise. Who should actually spend $549 on the Viture Beast right now? If you're a Steam Deck gamer, a Switch 2 owner, or someone who wants a personal theater for movies and travel, the Beast is an excellent choice. The wider FOV creates genuine immersion for entertainment, and the built-in 3DUF makes setup painless. But if you're buying these primarily for productivity, I'd say wait. The edge clarity issues make text-heavy work frustrating, and the X-Real 1 Pro handles that use case better right now. A few more things to know. The build quality feels more plastic than the full metal aluminum magnesium frame marketing suggests. Not bad, but don't expect Apple-level premium feel. And if you have the original Viture neckband or mobile dock, they're not compatible. The Pro neckband works, but you'll need a magnetic to USB-C adapter. The firmware situation is actually encouraging. Viture is actively listening to feedback and pushing updates. The 1200p 120Hz support is coming. The drift issues got improved. This is a company that's supporting their product post-launch. So here's what I want to know from you. Are you picking up the Beast, or are you waiting for the next generation? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. If this breakdown helped you make a decision, hit that subscribe button. I'm covering all the major XR glasses releases, and there's a lot coming after CES 2026. The Viture Beast represents a genuine step forward for XR glasses. When the firmware fully catches up to the hardware, this could be the best value in the category. At $549, it sits in a sweet spot between budget options that cut too many corners and X-Real's premium pricing. Right now, it's best for entertainment and gaming, not quite ready for productivity-first users. Can you handle a bit of early adopter patience while Viture polishes the experience? Then the Beast is absolutely worth serious consideration. Just go in with your eyes open about what you're getting today versus what's promised tomorrow.